Amazon or Walmart? Can Walmart sellers really make more money than Amazon sellers? I'll be going over the juicy details in today's video. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. The short answer is yes. You can make more money on Walmart than Amazon, and you can even check our case studies on our website and just look at Walmart clients. You'll see one of our clients, they got the Pro Seller badge on Walmart, and they're making around $13,000 every 2 weeks on Walmart. That's around $26,000 a month on Walmart in sales, right? That's after all of Walmart's fees and things like that. So not bad. Now I'm going to be showing you some other data from one of our clients. So if you go to advertising, and then we're going to go, this is actually in Walmart Seller Center, and then you can go to payments and you can actually check the payments. We'll see that they paid $7,000. And then again, it's every 2 weeks. So $7,000, and this is actually, so they actually made $10,000 in sales. Let me zoom in, it's like super blurry. $10,000 in sales, and then they did all the deduction. Walmart takes their commission and things like that, and then it comes out and they pretty much are paying us $7,000, and then we're going to go down to the, and then another $7,000. There you go, another almost $8,000. Right, if we want to round up, 8,000. So 8,000, 7,000. So they're making around right now $15,000 a month on Walmart, right? And there's a lot of potential to grow. Now, the first thing that I want to say on Walmart is going to be that Walmart is big at letting you sell whatever you want. So there's not a lot of gating compared to Amazon. On Amazon, they'll gate your products. Almost every category is gated. You have to present all these documents. It's difficult for resellers. On Walmart right now, pretty much it's free game. So you can sell almost any product without getting approval by Walmart, right? So it's free game right now. So it's time to get in on Walmart. On top of that, do you know how many sellers there are on Walmart? How many people are you competing with? You're competing with only 160,000 sellers. 160,000, right? That might seem like a lot. Wow, 160,000. How many are you competing on for Amazon? So for Amazon, you're competing 9.7 million. So why do you think it's so easy to make money on Walmart? 160,000 compared to 9.7 million is night and day. So it's just crazy. I also broke down Amazon's fees versus Walmart's fees, and it is cheaper. So we sell, here's an example of a product, right? Sell this on Amazon and sell this on Walmart. It's a biodegradable grocery bag, right? You buy 500 of them, boom, it's a bit heavy, you know, all these big bags. Sell them on Amazon. Amazon charges higher commission usually, right? Walmart charges reduced commission, and if you get the Pro Seller badge, like I showed you right here, they even provide less commission. So they even will discount your commission even more. So again, if we're just doing the breakdown on Amazon, it's more expensive, about $1 more expensive, which is a significant amount if you sell a lot of items. Like you sell 1,000 units a month, that's $1,000 more you're paying Amazon. So it's cheaper commission, and there's no hidden fees on Walmart. A lot of times on Amazon, there's like all these extra fees that you don't know about. Everything on Walmart's like straight up front. So as of right now on Walmart, hopefully it stays like that, there's no extra fees. So right now, Walmart, it's growing extremely quickly. This is the time to get in. So try to sign up, try to get approved, try to start selling. If you don't know how to sell on Walmart, contact us. We're ready to go, and we know what we're doing, as you can see. But that's it for today's video. Have you tried selling on both Walmart and Amazon? Share your experiences in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Walmart, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. This is what will fully manage calling Walmart, optimizing your listings, making sure you're generating sales, managing your ads, design, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is you don't have to learn all of the nuances of Walmart. you can hire us. We're going to be going over everything, and you can learn from us so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.